folder. This is what Anna was asking. Dresden Wall Hanging. The artist Anna has a question. Hi Jean, I'm trying out your Dresden wall hanging, but something went wrong and I can't make out what I've done wrong. My husband made a template to the measurements you sent me, and I cut out my blades on the 7-inch mark as you said. My strips were 2.5 inch, and when I placed the template on the fabric was narrower at the top, of course, because the template was 3 2/8 or 3 1/4 at the very top, and the fabric was 2.5 inch. So when I sew them up, it didn't lay flat at all. In fact, to fix it, I had to add 7 more blades. Now my middle circle is much bigger than yours, and even the quilt itself is much bigger. Now, can you please help me with what I'm to do in the middle? Is it going to look too odd with such a big circle in the middle? Sorry for the long email, but I wanted to explain myself as best possible. I'm adding a picture of my work so far. Thanks, Jean. Look forward to hearing from you. Always grateful for your help. Anna Pomorski.
Now,
so what's the question, Jean, as you asked me a few moments ago?
If you want to just show my work so far of this Dresden plate. I'm doing a tutorial on how to make this Dresden plate so far. And this has 20 blades in it. Anna's, you can put that down now, has made a quilt with, and I'll have it up here as a picture, with 27 blades. So I was asking you, how can I explain what Anna did wrong? Because
she didn't do anything wrong.
Exactly.
Whatever you create, Anna, as long as you can make it work,
which is,
as it comes together, you sew it together. What the photograph that Jean showed me, I think, is magnificent.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Why be a copier all the time? Why not create something original? And this is what you've done.
But
okay, so
explain why it has happened.
Why it's happened is the actual angle from the horizontal here on each side, because you've changed the dimensions of this in comparison to the bottom, the angle varies from what Jean's template would produce. And so therefore you've actually, I think, got a shallower angle, which means on the circle, when you put each, what do you call these?
Blade.
Or each blade together to make the circle, because you have a shallower angle, you need more blades to make a circle, and the circle gets bigger.
Right.
Lovely. But I think the photograph that you sent,
it's up there.
It's up here.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll put it there.
It's up there somewhere.
Yeah, no, it's up there. It's up there. But Anna was saying,
it looks great.
Yeah, Anna was saying, what did I do wrong?
You have a larger quilt.
Exactly. That's it.
You've done nothing wrong.
Right.
You've created your own particular look.
Yeah.
It's a creation. It's just wonderful.
Now, I would, Anna was concerned about what she should put in the large center. I would maybe pull in, because it's a very, very multicolored, scrappy look, I would maybe even put in on the hot pink background, maybe the green or the white print, not necessarily the pink. I put the lavender in. You see that? I don't think that she's appliquing that on the pink. So I'm looking at pictures of the fabric, the whites and the greens. I think that would look nice as a center. And it's large. It's awesome, isn't it?
I think it's gorgeous.
It's super. Yeah, it's super. So as you can see, the picture's up here, Anna. You haven't done anything wrong, as Ian's saying. There's nothing wrong about it. It's just ended up your creation. Your quilt's a little bit bigger. But boy, it's very, very pretty.
Get your husband involved. See what he'd like to see in the centre.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Sometimes I get asked, and sometimes I come up with
you come up with good ideas.
An idea that
well, I didn't know what the answer was, and so that's why I asked you, but it makes sense that the shallower the blade, yes, exactly. So the
Instead
large,
of more
exactly like
this,
that. Hers was a
they're
little
more
bit more like
like
that.
that.
The angle was
And
different.
so you need more blades
Right.
to make a circle, and then the circle gets bigger.
Gets bigger, yeah. So anyway, Anna, you did
What
a beautiful
you've done,
job.
Anna, is superb. Get your husband involved.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
What would he like to see in the
in the
middle?
center? Yeah.
With a big heart or a pair of lips kissing.
You
or
could
something.
make, Ian, you could make, you don't have to have a circle actually. You can make a square. I mean, it's not necessarily, you know, a circle. That's traditional. But I've seen Dresden plates with squares
or
in the middle.
hexagon.
Or a hexagon.
A hexagon
Exactly.
would really work.
Yeah, it would look really
with a
pretty.
bee in the middle.
Yeah, it would look really pretty.
Queen bee.
I would have something more, a little bit solid or more solid than the another print, though. Personally.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much, Ian. I appreciate that.
Get your honey involved.
I hope that solved you, Anna. We've made a video just for you.
Bye for now.
Bye.